Kyosho is back in the game. Actually known for the great models in 1/18 scale and the remote control cars. One or the other may also have a model at home as well. Kyosho used to produce the coolest models too in 1/64 scale. Whether racing cars, hypercars, sports cars or entire Formula One collections, Kyosho had always their hands in there. And yes, now it's finally going on in 1/64 scale. For comparison, we have practically the identical model at the start as the new model here in comparison. The Nissan Skyline R33 GTR is the R400 variant in yellow. At first glance, both may look the same, but if you take a closer look, the R400 has a small but subtle difference. Motion LEDs are installed here, front and rear. In addition to the model, you can also buy this motion plate. This is the foundation, so to speak, for the magic trick to work at all. You connect this plate with a USB cable, an adapter, and plug it in. As soon as you place the model on the plate, you can see the illuminated headlights at the front and rear. At the front you have bright daytime running lights. At the rear, the iconic quadruple brake lights that the GTR has had since the R32 generation. As you can see, the car still lights up, even if you pick it up from the plate. This is because a certain distance is enough for it to stay lit. So it's ideal if you unscrew the model and decide to place a base plate or carpet in between for your diorama. In any case, you can leave the car lit for up to 10 minutes until it switches off to protect it from overheating. What do you think of the new motion model from Kyosho? Which cars would you like to see that have integrated lighting to illuminate them with the motion base? Let us know in the comments. Now this is our conclusion. Would you agree with us? All in all, we are looking forward to Kyosho's future plans because they look very promising. I hope the video has given you a good first insight. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that you don't miss any more videos from us. Before we forget, we are close to the 500,000 subscriber mark. Hopefully we'll reach that soon because we're planning a big special video to mark the occasion. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers.